has really developed the insight into myself, an insight which I can use when I work together with my clients to find out where they are at and what would be the best next step for them.
The integration between the personal work, the embodiment, and then the professional part of it, how I can actually be a limitation in my professional work and the success of our clients.
Because I have the same feeling that this would benefit my consultancy, and I can bring something to my clients and I can understand something that I didn't know before, but it can also benefit me all the time. The development is just on its beginning, so it's a kind of win-win-win, which is sort of very hopeful feeling.
It's hard to differentiate between the personal work and the professional work, since we are consultants. We work with ourselves in the client setting, so developing yourself really develops your consulting skills as well, I think, and I have experience as well.
I would like to add also that Linda's and Dean's extensive experience within this field, neatly tacked together in the package of the CLR, is very helpful for me in my personal development and also the application of it to pursue the field of conscious change leadership.
The whole body of work that is the Change Leaders Roadmap has really made the human dynamic part and the culture part of consulting more tangible and more manageable, which just gives me great confidence when working in a client setting.
For the consultants at Valcon, the Foresight training has definitely helped developing us as more conscious change leaders, which helps us create better results for our clients, together with our clients. And that I think is a key outcome of the Foresight training.